We started out kind of scrappy, kind of ambitious, willing to do whatever it took to get the job done. Definitely with a huge personality, a lot of people that like to have fun. And I think we're really careful about who we bring on board as well. We want to make sure that they understand that they're part of something that we're really proud of and that we take it really seriously. And we've continued to hire and find just the best people. I'm really lucky to get to work with people that I work with.
Working at Paylocity, it's just been so incredible. I've got to be part of something unique, and I've got to watch us grow as a company, and I get to work with so many amazing people, like just really talented people who are just passionate, and everybody's got great ideas, and just the way everybody comes through and everybody works together on just big things and little things. It's just awe-inspiring.
You know, it's been one of the best places I've ever had opportunity to work. You know, I love the entrepreneur spirit that we all have, the autonomy as a leader that I get, and the empowerment that I'm able to afford to my leaders that work with me and for me. So it's just a great place to be as far as being entitled and empowered to make decisions, take a bit of risk, but ultimately work towards making our clients' lives better and their employees' lives better. And to know that we have that opportunity to do that here at Paylocity makes me really proud to be here and part of the culture.
It's been amazing. Paylocity is just chock full of opportunity. Whatever you want to do, whatever you want to learn, whatever you want to accomplish, it's all there for you. You just have to grab it.
Everyone is always willing to get down and dirty, get to the nitty-gritty, and put all hands in, all hands on deck. Let's get this problem resolved. Let's get it done. If you want success, you definitely have the ability to be successful at Paylocity.
From the products that we're building to this office space, Paylocity is always one step ahead and thinking about what we need to do next as an organization. And I really appreciate that, especially being a part of some of those decisions. It enables us to move faster, build new things, but also keep in mind what's to come and not get too far ahead of ourselves.
There's an amazing amount of opportunity to build things that are going to change the way people do their work. And the fact that we have that opportunity, the fact that we have the platform that we already have to build on top of, the fact that we have amazingly talented people involved, I'm really excited for what we do next. I don't think there's any end in sight.
I'm fired up for the future. I've seen significant investment into the technology itself. I'm seeing a significant investment into the business itself with some of our, new associates that we're bringing on, and I'm very optimistic for the future.